Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Matthew and this is my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. What day of the shaving calendar are we on? Day 9. Day 9. Have I been doing it on this side? Let's do it on this side today. I want to do it on this side. I can't remember which side I did it on last time. Day 9. You can even see that. Day 9. Right here. Thumbnail. Whew. Let me in by the hair of your chinny chin chin. Uh-oh. Look at that. Look at that. Can you guys see that? Let me close this up. Big Apps. You can see that green apple. The cube, and it looks like it's in some kind of city. I see a little lake back there. Ooh. This is going to be really nice. Do you want to know what it smells like? I smell a very sweet apple scent and maybe some green tobacco. Let's see, what does it say on the... Somebody had pointed this out. I think it was Tobin. On the last little bit of the shave splash, there's always some made up ingredients. Big Apps official release, New York MeetUp, original 2017. I thought this was going to be a ghost of the future. You know, I haven't even been keeping track of which ones are, you know, the future and the past. Shame on me. Back in 2017, a group dedicated to wet shaving enthusiasts gathered in New York City. Maybe that's why there's an apple on there. Big Apps. This was the official shave soap and aftershave cologne of the event, blending the hustling and bustling energy of the Manhattan with the crisp, fresh bite of Granny Smith apple. It's a scent that's bold as the city skyline, but with a twist, a touch. Just a touch of tobacco absolute lingering beneath the surface. Like a cool autumn evening sitting over the Hudson. This scent here, I feel like it's might be taking first place out of all the scents so far. I gotta go make some lather. I'll be right back. I was enjoying making that lather so much and smelling the scent. The really sweetness of the granny apple has come down, and I can pick up that tobacco scent more, and I feel like it's a little, just got a little bit of spice on it. That's very nice. If you are doing the advent calendar and you don't like this scent, please, whatever you do, just send it to me. I hope this one comes out for sure. All right, yeah, this one's definitely battling for first place. All right, well, I've got that whipped up in the Captain's Choice copper bowl. And I figured, why not go use the Peregrino brush, because it matches the theme of the green. And I don't know if I'm a little bit colorblind, but with this sitting here, this shirt looks a little bit more green, but in my living room, it's more of a tan and yellow with the highlight of the blue or the gray. Anyway, 12 flannels at Christmas. Pfft, who would think of such a thing? Oh man, this is nice. I forgot a 1/4 teaspoon into a 1/2 ounce of soap. How many shaves can I get out of this? This will be gone. If it takes all year for this to release, this soap set will be gone by then. But if it comes out soon, like in the spring or in the new year, that would be a delight. All right. Ooh. Using this beautiful Dovo razor that you guys saw on the video labeled buy. It's the Dovo Carre. There you go. And these scales are very loose, but it's very beautiful. It's got that nice mother of pearl inlay. I'll have to tighten up that pen a little bit because I don't like those scales flopping around. It just leads into problems down the road. I'm gonna wet the razor just a little bit. I got a sponge there that I'm gonna wipe off my lather with. Let's get going with pass number 1 with the grain. Wow, what a nice edge. And you know, the CK6, excellent. You guys know it performs well. I did use a 1/4 teaspoon of soap and 16 mils of water because I knew I was going to be doing some straight razor shaving. See if that little spot starts weeping again on me. I doubt it, but you never know. Is it already? That little sucker. I don't think it is. I was blessed with a phone call from my son Kyle just now. So I don't know where the video cut off, but anyway, Tobin had mentioned in his video, one of his videos about what was it, the atomic apple pie. And he was talking about, you know, Matthew loves this scent. And he's like, no, I'm not going to give it to you. And I said, please, why not? And he had mentioned in his comments, in the comment section, he's like, I might give it to you if you shave your head. And I said, nope, that's a special reserve. I've been talking about that for a couple of years now because I had mentioned in several videos, for any of the new viewers that don't know, I said if I make it to 4,000 subscribers, I would shave my head and do a video. And so he was a little bummed out. But maybe next time, Tobin. You know, I know the shaving can be a hobby or a utilitarian type thing. And then you can even get into the collection part. Most of us, I think, start out for the money savings and the better shaves. It's either one of those two. And most people find out that it can be enjoyable with all the different scents and soaps and razors. It just makes a task that we have to do into fun. And that's where I'm at right now, with just enjoying all the different things out there. If you're in that category, you know exactly what I'm saying. Did I tell you this was pass number 2 across the grain? Yeah, this is a very nice edge. I think I've finally dialed in where I need to be with the stone progression, at least for the Dovos. I feel like they're a little bit more, for me, difficult. It's just something about, I think, the material makeup. Or it could be that I'm just super picky with the edge I want. I'm trying to compete with the Gillette Silver Blue. Nearly impossible. But yeah, I mean, so the edges I've been getting is been really great. I would almost go as far as saying I could probably get away with a straight razor shave every day now with them. Except my arm don't go all the way back there. All right, I'm gonna get cleaned up. I'll be right back. Wow. No weepers, gushers, bleeders. That's nice. All right, time for the splash. Woo! Very nice. Better savor that a little bit. Now I'm curious if anyone has the original set still. That would be cool to get your hands on. So smooth, like a baby's butt. But it's not. I don't chase the BBS. All right, I will put a picture right here of everything I used. And my final thoughts, winner, winner, chicken dinner. I look forward to seeing this released. And I will see you guys on tomorrow's video. You have a great rest of your day.